Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings to our teacher, Ma'am Elise. My name is Ovelyn from absent 12 and my friend Hilwatus from absent 20. And now we will explain how to make clouds. Clouds are masses of water droplets or ice crystals hanging in the atmospheres. Clouds are formed when water condenses in the sky. And the formation of clouds from the air always contain water vapor. Water vapor that overflows will become water droplets, and cloud will be formed. So the things that we need to make these small clouds are ice cube, hot water, and water matches. And for the tools, we only need two things, which is glass or jar and a plastic bag.
The first step, put hot water into the glass until it evaporates. Then the second step, light a match and put it in a glass filled with hot water. The third step, cover the top of the glass using a container filled with ice cup and wipe until you see a small cloud in the glass. This experiment teaches about the condensation process, which is the change in the shape of the water vapor into water droplets. And many droplets of the water gather and unit, they turn into clouds.